Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making carrot jollof rice. The first thing you want to do is to wash your chicken meat or any protein of choice thoroughly and then go ahead to season it. I'm going to put a list of the spices I used in the description box below so you can check it out if you want. I seasoned this chicken properly because it's going to serve as the base for this recipe. So you need to be generous with your seasonings and ensure that the chicken is well marinated. I added minced garlic and ginger as well. I also added chopped scotch bonnet and pepper mix as well. Mix that thoroughly, ensure that every spice is well marinated into the chicken meat, and then drizzle in some oil as well if you want. Cover that, allow to sit in the fridge for say 30 minutes. While the chicken meat is marinating, go ahead and wash your veggies, peel them and get them ready. In your baking pan, go in with your pepper mix and your carrots. Put the scotch bonnet and onion first, and then top it up with the carrot. This is called carrot rice for a reason. So please be generous with your carrots. You can add as many carrots as you want, depending on the size of the rice. Now bring out your already marinated drumsticks and then layer the drumsticks on top of the veggies. If you want, you can drizzle in a little more vegetable oil on top of the chicken meat. It's completely optional since you've already marinated the chicken meat with some vegetable oil. You can skip this if you want. Pop that into your oven and allow to roast for about 40 minutes on high heat. You can set your temperature at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Remember to always flip your chicken meat. So after the first 20 minutes, bring it out, flip the chicken meat and then put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Once your chicken is ready, take that out. Look at that juice that came out from the chicken meat as well as the veggies. The burst of flavors was just so much in my kitchen at this point. Take out your carrots and bell peppers, put that in your blender. You'll be left with this bowl of juiciness. Of course, I don't need to tell you that you'll be needing this later as we go with this recipe. So just set that aside. Blend your carrots and bell peppers until it's smooth like this. In your cooking pot, go in with some vegetable oil, some minced garlic and ginger. I love putting garlic and ginger in my food because the taste, it just gives it a nice taste and aroma. Some chopped onions as well, stir to combine, and then put your carrot puree as well. Mix, mix, mix. Allow this to cook on medium to low heat for say 5 minutes, and then I also added pepper mix and some seasonings of choice. Combine together, stir, allow to simmer for 5 more minutes. Pro tip: resist the urge to add more vegetable oil to your sauce, because even though you keep adding more oil, oil is not going to float on top of this sauce. The carrot has a way of sucking in the oil. So please resist the urge to add more oil than you need. Once your sauce has already cooked for few minutes like this, for about 5 minutes, then go in with your washed rice. Allow this to stir fry for another 5 minutes. Then now is the time to add your bowl of juiciness into your rice. I also rinsed the blender that I use in blending the carrots and veggies, and I added the water from the blender into the rice as well. Also, do not put too much water, because this rice naturally will come out as if it's a bit soggy. So don't put too much water. For me, this quantity of water is okay. I just allow that to cook on very low heat. I also added some frozen veggies. I usually like more sweet corn in my veggies. So for my veggies, I use more sweet corn. And then I just drill some hole into the pot of rice. Do not stir, just drill some hole so that the liquid on top will go underneath. And then once your rice is ready, you mix everything together, and there you have it, guys. Your carrot jollof rice is ready. This rice tasted so good. My husband loved it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it as well. Plate your meal and enjoy. If you have enjoyed this recipe, then you would definitely like this other recipe that is gonna pop up on your screen right now. Watch the playlist. It contains a lot of healthy cooking recipes. One of my most popular recipe is my coconut fish sauce recipe. You also need to check out that recipe as well. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Bye.